2, 1, go!
Go! The sheriff means business. Nice shot, Sheriff. That's 23 stuck to the sheriff now. Uh-oh. We're going to do a nice favor to him, break them apart. Sorry, Sheriff.
He wants that company.
Oh my God. Well, we got a little fire out there. Up. Gentlemen, hold on. We got a little fire out there. Time to stop. One hit up, boys.
That's awesome, too.
714 wasting no time. Get a good hit in there. Here comes the sheriff rounding for another hit. All right, Sheriff. Nice shot. I tell you, no stopping the sheriff. All right. Nice hits out there. The sheriff just keeps coming, boys. Nice shot, Sheriff. Oh, boy. It just ain't a party, no something gets close. Look at that noise. Look at that. Again. Oh my Lord. The sheriff is causing some damage out there tonight. Yeah, we got them stuck together out here again. We're gonna take more than the water hose to get these boys apart. Ha-ha!
Sean's got it.
Oh my God. And the crowd's going wild.
Come on, John!
Yeah. And the sheriff just keeps bringing it. It's like 66 and the sheriff are still in it. Man, I can't believe that thing's still moving as good as it is. Look at that. What a mess. It just keeps running. Yeah! Go ahead, sheriff! Sheriff! Come on! Sheriff! Come on, sheriff! You know when the headers are red, he's doing it. Sheriff! Come on, crowd! Cheer him on! Nice shot! Uh-oh. Somebody's still running.
But they ain't moving.
They haven't moved for a while.
Nope. He's been sitting there trying to spin his wheels and get on the hook.
So I'm guessing that's it.
Bring up the finale now. Look out. There we go. I couldn't believe it, but I didn't see it with my own eyes. Sheriff's still moving. Uh-oh. That 66 going to get moving again? Uh-oh. All right, we're going to get it down to 40 seconds. 40 seconds left in the heat. Come on, Sheriff.